What's up, boys and girls? Backroads tent, Napier. This is my first time recording with the GoPro. Please bear with me. I don't know which distance I should be at. Do I need to be close? Do I need to be super close? Do I need to be far? Seems to be a good distance for the setup here. I tried recording this before. I recorded once before. I had my buddy with me, and I don't want to be rude, kept interrupting me every time I was trying to do something. So I had to tell him, like, clean out in the video, like, dude, shut the fuck up, just let me do it. I need to figure it out. That was actually my first time setting it up by myself, well, or ever, I should say. And the time after that, I went to go set it up. It was so windy. It wasn't here. It was a different spot. It was so windy during the recording, which I still have. The tent was in the bed. The wind blew. The tent completely lifted out, flipped over, and fell on that side. That's pretty cool. But I've mastered the setup of this tent now, which I didn't before. This is just a rain guard. It is calling for rain tonight. So eventually we're gonna make sure we don't get wet. So one time I was here. I was at this lake with a buddy of mine. And I looked at the weather. And the weather was saying less than 1 mil of rain overnight. So I'm like, perfect. Is this a door? So I'm like, perfect. I'm not gonna put the rain guard. We woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning soaking wet. What I mean soaking wet, I mean absolutely soaking wet. It's not the fucking wet. Into the windows, again. So eventually I went back to the store and I said, listen, I was pissed. I was really mad. I said, your tent's leaking. It's not waterproof. Knowing full well, it kind of was my mistake. But the first tent that I had, it's supposed to end right here, at the end of the truck. Because when you go buy one of these, you pick the model that fits the bed, the truck number or whatever, right? I think the first one they fucked up because I didn't have the right one. Ended up breaking a pole in the process, and so I'm kind of glad I got a new one. There's a story behind it. If you guys want to hear about that story, all in the Discord server, boys and girls. All in the Discord server. Link is down below in the description. Don't be fooled if you see this video on the Northern Ontario Wacko channel. The Discord for it is under a Combo Hive Mind name. I'll take my shoes off for this. Oh, I could probably do this now. Do this one now. Oh yeah. Shoes off. I'm really hoping the flies die down real quick. They're quite annoying. hard to do once you've done it once or twice. It's the first one or twice time that, just like everything else for that matter. So, sorry, I was blocking the camera. Goddamn flies. There's pockets in each corner, just like a regular tent. So for each rod, whenever you do these ones here, you just got to make sure you don't confuse yourself with the door pocket and the corner pocket. Ow! Oh, yes. God damn. Alright. Just trying to shake off the flies, man. They are aggressive. It's like they haven't seen anything anyone all winter. So essentially you got straps all the way around. These straps hook underneath the bed of the truck. Just a hook. Tighten the strap. The rain guard is actually the hardest part to put on. Look at the flies. Look at the fucking flies in there. So I do have some stuff for flies and skeeters. There's hundreds in there already. Crazy. And then for the bed here, you got these straps. Essentially go underneath. Fucking swallow the fucking fly. Oh. These aren't easy to grab. Come on, fuck. And you actually do have one. onto that. And that's going to hold your tent down to your tailgate. I was thinking of putting the bar behind that if I can. That's going to break. Readjust something here. What I should have done is started this with the door closed. Knowing the amount of flies and mosquitoes that are out, would have been smart. I'm not smart though. All right. So there is the Napier truck tent for a Ram 1500. I still got those two straps to do. And whenever I'm done setting up, I like to hide my straps underneath. Just so it looks better. Take pictures, you don't see it in the pictures. Okay. I'm going to finish setting up. And I'll come back once it's set up. We're going to set up some stuff to get the flies out of there. And then we'll probably get started on dinner.